Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're diving headfirst into the 10 free AI tools you absolutely need to master before your next interview. Look, we're heading toward a near future, let's say around 2026, where artificial intelligence isn't just a cool novelty anymore, it's a baseline professional requirement. Now, the goal here isn't to magically become a machine learning engineer overnight, not at all. It's to help you stand out as a highly adaptable problem solver.
So picture this. You're sitting in the interview seat. You've polished your resume, ironed your shirt, revised every technical topic, and you are feeling really confident. Then the recruiter smiles, nods at your answers, and hits you with this pivotal question. Have you used any AI tools in your daily work? Suddenly, the room goes completely silent. Believe it or not, this is exactly where so many excellent candidates fail. And it's not because they lack experience, and it's definitely not because they don't know technology. They fail because they just haven't adapted to how workplaces have fundamentally changed. What you say next determines everything. Companies want to know, can you use AI to be faster? Can you use it to reduce mistakes and actually boost your productivity?
Okay, here's our playbook for today. We're going to cover smart preparation, the visual edge, research and communication, tech and automation, and finally, the competitive advantage.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Smart Preparation, looking at our first three tools.
Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. Now, we all know ChatGPT, right? But what's really interesting here is the contrast in how it's actually used professionally. The average candidate just goes in, asks it to write my resume, and copy-paste the result. Honestly, that's a massive mistake. Instead, you've got to treat it as an interactive career coach. Tell it to, for example, act as an HR manager interviewing an IT support engineer. You can literally paste the job description right in there and ask it to generate the most likely interview questions. Spend an hour practicing those, and boom, you've just prepared smarter than 90% of your competition.
And when that recruiter actually asks how you use AI, you need to project an air of professional maturity. If you use this exact script on the screen saying, I use AI to prepare interviews, organize information, and improve productivity while always verifying the results, you completely avoid sounding like you just blindly outsource your thinking. You sound calculated, efficient, and super professional. Let's see how you can build on that knowledge base with tool number 2, Claude. Claude is absolutely phenomenal for reading and digesting massive documents. Say you've got an interview tomorrow at a major logistics company. Are you going to sit down and read their 120-page annual report overnight? Yeah, probably not. Instead, you upload it to Claude. Ask it to extract the company's biggest achievements this year, identify their current workplace challenges, and zero in on key projects. When you drop a casual reference to one of those specific internal projects at the interview table, the recruiter instantly realizes you did your homework. It's a total game changer. For our third tool, we have Notebook LM. Think of this one as your own private, personalized AI tutor. If you're brushing up on really complex technical concepts, you just upload all your PDF notes, your documentation, and handbooks right into it. Notebook LM synthesizes all that heavy information into mind maps, FAQs, and even generates a whole audio discussion explaining the topic back to you. The crucial takeaway here is that you aren't just memorizing definitions to parrot back to a recruiter, you are actually understanding the concepts deeply.
Moving right along to Section 2, the visual edge, covering tools 4 and 5.
Tool 4 is Gamma. Look, most candidates walk into a room carrying nothing but a standard paper resume. Gamma gives you a huge advantage by letting you auto-generate a sleek, professional, one-page visual presentation to introduce yourself. You can showcase exactly who you are, your specific projects, your certifications, and your long-term career goals in literally minutes. Handing over a highly visual summary during an interview makes people remember you way after you've left the building.
Tool 5 is Canva AI. And here's the secret. Canva is no longer just for graphic designers. We are looking at incredible cross-profession utility now. Whether you're a warehouse manager who needs to visualize reports, an HR professional making workplace posters, or a sales rep drafting rapid presentations, knowing how to generate professional visual assets in half the usual time is a massively valuable skill. If an interviewer asks, hey, can you prepare a presentation for tomorrow? Knowing Canva AI means you can just say yes without breaking a sweat or, panic drinking 3 cups of coffee.
Okay, let's jump into Section 3, Research and Communication, looking at tools 6 through 8.
Tool 6 is Perplexity AI. While most candidates just Google the company and sort of skim the first page of results, Perplexity acts as a true AI research engine. It gives you highly summarized, intelligent answers, and the best part, it comes complete with cited references. If you're interviewing at Amazon, for instance, you can ask Perplexity about their latest AI initiatives, the recent acquisitions, or current challenges, and it hands you a reference briefing. You can now intelligently discuss the company's trajectory, and trust me, recruiters notice this level of insight immediately.
Tool 7 is Grammarly. Clear communication is absolutely critical in the workplace. And honestly, it is heartbreaking when excellent professionals lose out on opportunities simply because of a grammar mistake in a follow-up email. These simple, AI-driven improvements can safeguard your first impression by turning a clunky, error-ridden message into a polished, polite, clear, and totally professional note.
Now, for candidates who might be stressing over an English language interview, Tool 811 Labs is an absolute lifesaver. It can generate incredibly natural AI voices from text. You can use it to listen carefully to phrasing, pacing, and pronunciation, and then literally repeat it back. It's basically your on-demand speaking partner, helping you practice speaking slowly and clearly. That kind of repetition builds serious confidence before you ever step foot into that high-pressure interview room. As we near the end of our list, here's Section 4, Tech and Automation, covering Tools 9 and 10.
Tool 9 is Google AI Studio. I highly recommend treating this as your personal, on-demand technical mentor. Ask it to explain complex technical concepts, whether you're trying to wrap your head around VLANs, SAP software, SQL joins, warehouse automation, or digital marketing analytics. The real beauty here is that you can ask follow-up questions until you truly grasp the mechanics of the concept. That's so much better than just memorizing a textbook answer that's going to completely fall apart the second a recruiter asks you to elaborate.
Tool 10 is NAN. Automation is undeniably one of the hottest workplace skills today. This tool lets you effortlessly link platforms together. So something like receiving an email attachment automatically updates your Google Drive and spreadsheets and then triggers a Microsoft Teams notification, all without a single drop of manual data entry. Now, even if you aren't applying to be a software developer or a coding expert, just understanding that this type of workflow is possible proves to interviewers that you're a forward-thinking candidate who gets modern efficiency.
Finally, let's move to Section 5, the competitive advantage.
So right now you might be feeling a little overwhelmed by 10 different platforms. Take a breath. You do not need to master everything today. Choose just one single AI tool from this list. Commit to practicing with it for just 30 minutes every single day, and by day 30, you will possess practical, hands-on experience that you can confidently and honestly discuss in your next interview.
Ultimately, I want you to remember this vital quote from our source material. Companies don't hire people because they know every AI tool. They hire people who are curious, adaptable, and willing to learn. That is really what this whole explainer is about. Your true competitive advantage in the AI era isn't having rote knowledge of a software interface. I mean, that's probably going to change in 6 months anyway, right? It's your curiosity, your problem-solving mindset, and your willingness to continuously adapt to new ways of working.
So to stand out, arm yourself with AI, not to replace your skills, but to amplify them. But speaking of adapting to the tough interview environment, what do you say when the recruiter looks at you, closes their notebook, and asks, "What salary are you expecting?" Man, it's an incredibly tough question where you really don't want to price yourself too low or unrealistically high. We're going to tackle exactly how to answer that in our next explainer. So think about it. What tool are you going to start learning today? Keep learning, stay adaptable, and we'll see you next time.